Okay, so in this video, we're going to learn about blueprint function libraries. So these are a powerful way to organize and reuse custom functions across multiple blueprints. So you don't want to remake these functions over and over again in different types of blueprints. So you make a custom function inside this blueprint function library that can be reused all over the engine. Okay, so let's just make a quick print function library. So we'll just put it in system. We'll add directory helpers. And then we add an Unreal class. And we go to all classes and blueprint function library. And then we're going to name it, and we're going to name it movement utility library. Okay. We add it. And here, public new function, working callable, category, utilities. You can put it in any category you like. I'm just putting utilities. So static, we're going to return a float, convert speed to feet per second. And then we're going to pass in a vector, and we're going to name it velocity vector. So we want to get the velocity vector in here to do the conversion. All right, we can just implement it here. I'm just going to return velocity vector dot length divided by 30.48. This constant. All right, and that's it. Now we are going to compile. All right, then we launch the game again. We're going to go to our character. It's the easiest way to test it. On tick event. Actually, we can just do this in C++, so keep it consistent. Let's go to our character. So we have a tick event right here. And we're going to do a print. This kind of print right here. Yep, so this is for the last tutorial. So we only need feet per second. And it is a float, and that's all we need. And to get the feet per second, we call the function. So it's movement utility library, and since it's a static function, convert speed to feet per second. And then we just pass it in the velocity, right? So we get velocity. And that's it. So we put delta time in our time, so it's not displaying for too long. Delta time. We play. Okay, feet per second, 0. And then as we move, 19, the max is 19.6. And to show that we can use it on everything, we're gonna just make a random class. Actor B random class. This actor, we're gonna add a mesh sphere so it rolls. We're gonna simulate physics. And then on tick, we are going to print text. Format. Feet per second. And yes. Don't print to log. We're going to put delta seconds in there. We're going to make it a different color. And to get the velocity of this, we grab the sphere, get velocity, get component velocity, and we put, oh, you have to call the function, sorry. What do we call the function? Convert speed to feet per second. Convert speed to feet per second. There it is. And then we put FPS in there. Cool. And now we're going to see it as we push it and make a roll. Oh, we forgot to put it in the bubble. Okay. You can see that's too big. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's feet per second 0, but as soon as we push it, it starts going, right? It's converted to feet per second. So you can use this function anywhere in any blueprint, any C++ class, you will find it and you can just get it. You can think of them as global functions, right? You just get the class and get the static function. All right, see you.